Hey guys, in this video you're going to see what I thrifted when I recently hosted a cocktails and consignment store here in DC. I got some really cute stuff and I think you would love them. So stick around and check out the haul. At the end of the haul, let me know which was your favorite. Hey guys, this is Ayana Peterson, the Thrifting Diva, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, on this channel we talk about thrifting, DIY, basically anything that I want to do to look fabulous. I'm always going to do it with a very strict budget in mind. And on this channel, I'll show you how you can accomplish those goals by looking fabulous, your home looking fabulous, but you not spending a lot of money. So if you're interested in learning the ways, then consider subscribing by hitting the button below. And also you can hit the bell so you know when I put out my videos, which is every week. So stick around, let's jump into this thrift haul. So recently I hosted a cocktails and consignment event here in Washington DC. I partnered with someone where we hosted a bus trip and we took fabulous thrifting divas around Virginia to different thrift and consignment stores. Alright, we're getting ready. Ladies are here, they're eating, and we are going to get ready to do some shopping. Nina, come on in here. And my co-host, the event planning extraordinaire. I'm gonna leave all her information in the link below. You guys have to look her up if you are in the need for some awesome custom-made drinks, event planning, some decor. She does it all. So I'm gonna leave all her information below. All right. The event was amazing. I had a lot of fun meeting new thrifting divas. I got a lot of great items at great prices, and I wanted to show you the first location that we went to was Second Chance Consignment out in Old Town Alexandria. As you know, a consignment store, the prices are going to be a little higher than your average Goodwill or Salvation Army, unless you're looking at that Salvation Army that I went to. Gotta check out that video if you have not, where their prices definitely weren't thrift prices, but the other thrift stores, I mean. So I digress. But anyway, so at Second Chance Consignment, I got just a couple things. So let's jump into the haul and let's see what I got from there. The first is this skirt. And it's a lace skirt. It's a BCBG skirt. Still had the tags on this one. And it retailed for $118, but it was on sale. They had a 50% off on it, so I got this one for $10 there when I went. Now, I love this color, and I know it's a bold color for most. And what I think I would do when I wear it is, I'm actually gonna pair it with a simple white tee and some white sneakers that I have. And just kind of make it the formal look of this skirt be just dress it down. So that's one way. I think another way that I was looking at it was to throw on another bold color like a blue, to make a blue and yellow pop combination. But I'm thinking for the first time I wear it, just a simple white tee, which you could find anywhere, and throw on some sneakers, tuck the tee in so that it looks really put together and that you meant to do it. The second piece that I got from there was this dress. You see the black and white. Half the dress is black and half the dress is white, and I thought that was really cute. And I am going to probably wear these. I have a concert coming up in a few weeks, Sunday concert, and I think this will be a really cool piece to wear. Throw on some red heels, just to make the black and white with the red pop even more. It's black and white, so you could pretty much wear it with anything, and I think this is something you could wear anywhere. It's a very light material, so even though it's summertime and it's long sleeve, I think I'll be able to get away with wearing this. The other store that we went to was, I can't remember the name, but I will insert it somewhere here when I edit this video. But in that store, that's a traditional thrift store, and I really like going there. I've been going there for ages actually. So when we went there, I was able to pick up and get a few pieces, nothing outrageous. So the first one is, check out this blazer. Linen blazer, has a lining in there, and it fit perfectly. So I'm gonna take this to the cleaners and be able to rock this so quickly. I love blazers, and I literally throw blazers on everything. So sweaters, t-shirts, button-ups. I mean, a blazer just makes you look very polished, and it's something that every woman should have in her closet because blazers are staples to your closet. And being a linen piece is a perfect time for me to rock this, the spring, summer. I will absolutely be wearing this a lot this summer. Very simple piece that I got was this loft. It was less than $3. Why I picked it up is because the shortened edges, the shortened sleeves, obviously just a quick shirt to put on. I could wear this and then throw that white blazer that I just showed you. I could wear this with pretty much anything in the summer, and I just love how this color pops on my skin complexion. So I just had to have this because I don't have a color like this in a tee, and as I said, it was a really very affordable price, and it's from Taylor Loft, so it's a good quality piece. And then the last place we went to was Goodwill. I'm gonna leave all the information for the stores that we visited and their phone numbers and their addresses so that you can look them up, and hopefully if you're in that area you can stop by and check them out. Anyway, but Goodwill we stopped at, and I did kind of rack up a little bit on Goodwill, but it is Goodwill, and they had some cute pieces at great prices, so why not? So the first one is this floral colored shirt, long sleeve button up, and I know some people are gonna be like, ugh, what are you gonna do with that? I really like this. I love colors. I love being able to work with prints and really bold colors, and I think this is a pretty piece. I think I could wear this as a date night look, meaning I will probably add some high-waisted black jeans, some distressed high-waisted black jeans that I recently got from Old Navy, and tuck it in, put on a bold gold belt so that it stands out and the colors and the gold will stand out, and rock this with some yellow heels that I have, because just to pull out the little bit of the yellow in this shirt, and I think it would be a sexy look. I mean, I know some people are like, ah, that's so much going on in that shirt, but let me tell you, adding this and pulling out some colors that are not so obvious, you know, not the pink, not the blue, but the yellow. I have some beautiful Jessica Simpson yellow heels that will go perfect with this. So I am actually saving this for a date night outfit. Okay, so you know I already told you how I love colors, and in the summer I think it's the best time to just do yay. So this is just a little top with a stripes that I really like because of all the great summer colors in there, and this was $2.98, so figured I could play along with this. Once again, this will be perfect under that blazer, the white blazer that I showed you, because the white will just allow all these colors to be more pronounced, and just the contrast between the white and all these colors will be amazing. Throw it on over some jeans or some, you know, some jean shorts or jean skirt, and you'll have a perfect summer spring outfit right there. So I also got some heels from Goodwill, and these just were really funky and retro for me, so that's why I got them. They have a square front, and apparently square fronts are making a comeback, so who knows, but I just like them. They're true leather, and they're Joan and David, circa Joan and David piece, and you could see how the heel is a little funky with the coming to a point like that. and they're black. I mean, these are simple. They're easy to be added to any outfit, obviously. Skirt, jeans, pants in the summer. So I figured why not? They were $6.99 and they fit perfectly and were comfortable. So I picked these up as well. I have to tell you that I will shop for whatever season it is when I see it. So I am not a person that if I see something then and it's not the season for that I'll leave it, because you know what? Seasons are predictable. They come every year and they go every year. So why not stock up, especially if the price is great? So this is a beautiful blazer that I found, and I absolutely love this. I mean, to me, it's gorgeous. I love it, I love it, love it. And it's just something that I know that when fall comes back around, I'm gonna wanna grab this very quickly. It's a 3/4 sleeve and it's black and cream. So very easy to be paired with many dresses or over a shirt and some pants. Thinking some wide leg pants would be beautiful with this look, especially since this comes down to a little bit before my knee. This was $8.99 at Goodwill. And then I got two purses from Goodwill, and one is this straw purse. It's a 9 West straw purse. And I really liked it because it's something that I can easily throw on over any look and look polished. It's different, it's unique. I'm all about looking unique. I do not like looking as though everyone can have the same piece that I have on. It was $4.98. And the last thing that I picked up from Goodwill on that day was this clutch. Oh my goodness, when I saw this clutch, I literally, and I was digging in a bin. So when you go thrifting, you know, here's a tip that you should be looking in every nook and cranny of the store. And I happened to see this bin. There was a bunch of little stuffed teddy bears there, and I just said, hey, let me check out what was in there. And lo and behold, underneath the stuffed teddy bears, they had a bunch of clutches, and I found this. And it is genuine leather, so I absolutely love that. I like when I thrift real leather. It just allows my pieces to go further and longer. Not that I don't thrift non-leather pieces at all, but I tend to look for leather pieces just so that I can get more of a wear from them, and they also keep up better. So this is a beautiful piece. It is a neutral that could be worn with every and anything. So easy. As to the price was $6.99. Little dance, the thrift gods were looking out. So that's my haul. Let me know in the comments which was your favorite piece, which is something that you can see yourself rocking. Please give this video a thumbs up and share it to anyone you think would want to know more about thrifting or just how to make their budget stretch while still looking fabulous. So share, subscribe if you like this video. Thank you for watching and hope to see you again next week. Bye!